I'm Kimmy Luong, and I've been with Heroic since the beginning, so more than a decade, and this is 2024. Before Heroic, I was having a tough time in life, even though I did a pretty good job at smiling through it. I was often sad, lacked a lot of energy, and was probably very confused. After Heroic, and by applying all the principles, I have structure in my life. It feels really good. I know how to get up once I fall, and I love waking up every morning. That used to be a struggle. So Brian had been talking about Heroic Coach for years, and it was something that I was interested in doing. And so when he finally mentioned that he was starting it, I signed up right away. Imagine being surrounded by your best friends who you've had relationships with, nurtured throughout the years, and not only are we doing life together, but we're also encouraging each other and lifting each other up and challenging each other to go one step beyond and even 10 steps beyond. It feels really good. It feels like this is where I'm meant to be. It justifies everything that I do, and to know that there are others just like me who are interested in professional development, self-development, helping others service a selflessness and grit. I mean, all of that's really, really exciting. And I'm a pretty alive person, but being here, I'm alive times infinity.